Hello Ganofins, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to JavaScript programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the if statement in JavaScript language. Very often when you write code, you want to perform different actions based on different conditions. You can do this by using conditional statements in your code. Use if to specify a block of code that will be executed if a specified condition is true. The syntax of if statement in JavaScript is this: if condition and these curly brackets, after between these curly brackets statements comes here, which will be going to execute if this condition is true. Let's see an example of this if statement in JavaScript. As you can see here, I assigned a variable s1 and its value as 5, s2 as 10, and if s1 is less than s2, then this alert will be generated on your web page. Just remove this syntax and let's see what will happen if we run this in our web page. As you can see, that alert has been created in your page because the condition is true. That's why alert has been created. Now let's see what will happen if this condition will become false. Now the condition is false. Now let's see what will happen if we run this code in our browser. As you can see, nothing happened because the condition is false. That's why it terminate and it printed nothing here. If I will use that else statement, then it will do something. We will talk about if else statement in our next tutorial. Well, I hope you understood the if statement in JavaScript programming language. If you have any query or question regarding to this, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Well, thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.